Is it harder to buy a house today than what it used to be? I'm Alice Stolz. I'm the property editor at Domain. Only 55% of people born after 1990 will be homeowners, and that's versus 72% historically. Home ownership is declining, and it's no wonder. It takes a first home buyer couple on average 5 years to save for a deposit to buy a house today. And in Sydney, it's 6 years and 8 months. And if you're single, double it, almost 13 and a half years. So what was it like before? Well, yes, interest rates were at periods over 17%. However, the amount of what it cost to buy a house was much, much lower. 30 years ago, the average house price was just a few times the average wage. Now, it's 8.5 times the average salary. This may create a lot of arguments, this topic, but whatever way you cut it, I think it's unequivocally harder to buy a house today than what it used to be. I'm standing with the millennials.